Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change a language on Asus Tuf Gaming Laptop. And to do this we'll need to open our Windows settings, then head on to time and language. Inside there's the language settings, and here you want to add another language package. So find your preferred language right here and click on add. You'll be able to set it as a default. And it should be in the options. Okay, let's choose a different language then. And we can go for, let's go Polish. Next. And here you can set it as your Windows display language. Make sure to set that if you want to change it. Next thing, if the language still didn't change, is to go to your administrative language settings, and here in formats change format to the language that you want to use. Make sure to click on apply and then OK, and then the language should be changed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.